Imagine taking something as simple as a plastic bottle and turning it into a stunning planter that livens up your garden. Today we're diving into 15 creative ways to recycle bottles, from playful animal shapes to rustic rope wrap designs, perfect for flowers, herbs, or succulents. These ideas aren't just practical, they're fun, unique, and can transform any corner of your garden into a colorful, personalized space. Whether you're short on space, love DIY projects, or want to add your own style to your outdoor area, these bottle planters are designed to inspire and spark your creativity. Before we jump in, I want to hear from you. Where are you watching from, and what's your garden like? Do you enjoy sunny afternoons in your backyard, or do you have to battle frosty mornings? Have you tried bottle planters before, and if so, which designs work best for you? Drop your answers in the comments, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you won't miss any of our future creative gardening ideas. These projects aren't just about making your garden look amazing. They're also a step toward a more sustainable, eco-friendly space you'll love spending time in. Idea number 1, classic cut and paint. Let's start with a simple yet timeless approach, cutting a 2-liter plastic bottle in half to create a basic planter. Once you've cut it, drill a few drainage holes at the bottom to keep your plants healthy and happy. Then grab some outdoor acrylic paint and let your creativity flow. Add stripes, polka dots, or even hand-painted flowers. This method is perfect for small herbs, like basil or mint, as well as bright, cheerful flowers that can easily brighten up a windowsill, balcony, or garden corner. The best part is how fast and easy it is to turn a plain bottle into something colorful and functional. For an extra personal touch, involve the kids or friends in decorating these planters. They can paint their own designs, giving each bottle its own personality, and it turns a simple gardening task into a fun, creative activity for everyone. These planters are lightweight, portable, and perfect for experimenting with different plant combinations, without committing to heavy pots. Plus, they're a great conversation starter when friends or neighbors spot your DIY creations in the garden. Idea number 2, hanging bottle planters. Take your bottle planters to the next level by creating hanging versions that bring greenery to vertical spaces. Start by cutting a rectangular window into the side of a plastic bottle, leaving enough structure for stability. Punch 2 small holes near the top and thread rope, twine, or thin wire through to create a secure hanging system. These planters are perfect for trailing plants, like strawberries, ivy, or cascading flowers, letting them spill beautifully over the edges while saving precious ground space. A row of hanging bottles along a balcony railing or porch instantly adds a dynamic, living touch to your garden. What's great about hanging bottle planters is their versatility and portability. You can easily move them around to catch the best sunlight or to rearrange for a fresh look. They're also a fun way to involve the family. Kids can help fill them with soil and plants, creating a small vertical garden that they can care for and watch grow. With just a few materials and a bit of creativity, you can transform ordinary bottles into a vibrant, eye-catching display that's both practical and decorative. Idea number 3, stacked vertical garden. If you're short on space, but want a big impact, a stacked vertical garden is the perfect solution. Start by cutting multiple bottles in half and stacking them one on top of the other, securing each layer with stakes, a wooden frame, or strong twine. This design maximizes vertical space, making it ideal for balconies, patios, or small yards. You can plant herbs, lettuces, or colorful flowers in each bottle, creating a layered effect that's both practical and visually striking. It's an excellent way to grow a variety of plants, without taking up much ground area. Stacked vertical gardens are also highly customizable. You can adjust the number of layers, mix different bottle sizes, and even paint or decorate each planter for extra personality. They're surprisingly sturdy once secured, and make watering and maintenance easy, since each tier is accessible without bending or reaching awkwardly. This setup not only saves space, but also turns your recycled bottles into a statement piece in your garden, showing off your creativity while keeping your plants organized and thriving. Idea number 4, animal-shaped planters. Bring a playful touch to your garden by turning plastic bottles into adorable animal-shaped planters. Start by cutting the bottle to create the basic shape of a pig, cat, or any animal you like. Then use extra pieces of plastic to add ears, tails, or other features. Once the shape is ready, paint on eyes, noses, or other details to give your planter personality. These whimsical designs are perfect for kids' gardens, or as charming accents among your flowers and succulents. Not only do they hold plants, but they also become conversation starters and focal points in your outdoor space. The beauty of animal-shaped planters is how versatile and fun they are to customize. You can mix bright colors for a cheerful look or natural tones to blend with your garden's landscape. Kids can join in and decorate their own planters, making it an interactive craft that also teaches about recycling and plant care. These planters are lightweight, easy to move, and durable enough to withstand outdoor conditions, making them a delightful combination of creativity and practicality. Idea number 5. Decorated with rope or twine for a rustic bohemian touch. Wrap your plastic bottles in natural jute rope or twine. Start by applying a thin line of hot glue along the bottle and carefully coil the rope around it, working from bottom to top. This simple technique completely transforms the plain plastic into a textured, stylish planter that blends seamlessly with any garden decor. It's perfect for herbs, succulents, or flowers, and adds a cozy handmade feel to your patio, balcony, or windowsill. What makes this idea especially versatile is how easy it is to customize. You can leave the rope natural, stain it, or even mix in different colors for a creative pattern. Add small embellishments like beads or tiny shells to give each planter a unique personality. These rope-wrap planters are lightweight, durable, and can be easily moved around, making them practical as well as decorative. They're a simple way to elevate recycled bottles into charming, eye-catching pieces that feel both natural and artistic. Idea number 6. Bottle bottom flowers. Give your garden an extra pop of creativity by turning the bottoms of plastic bottles into decorative flower shapes. Start by carefully cutting and shaping the bottle bottoms, then paint them in bright, cheerful colors. Once dry, attach these flower pieces to the top or sides of whole bottles, creating a layered, whimsical effect that complements your plants. This technique works beautifully with succulents, herbs, or small flowers, adding a playful and artistic touch to your garden space. These bottle bottom flowers are not only visually striking, but also highly customizable. Mix different sizes, colors, and shapes to create a vibrant display that feels dynamic and lively. They're lightweight and easy to move, allowing you to experiment with arrangement and placement until you find the perfect setup. Kids and friends can join in to make this a fun, interactive project, turning ordinary plastic into imaginative, lasting garden art. Idea number 7. Pocket wall planters. Turn any vertical surface into a living garden with pocket wall planters made from plastic bottles. Start by cutting the bottles lengthwise to create open pockets, then attach them securely to a wooden board, fence, or wall, using nails, screws, or strong adhesive. These planters are perfect for growing herbs, small flowers, or greens, creating a compact and visually striking living wall effect. Not only do they save ground space, but they also bring greenery up to eye level, making it easier to care for your plants. Pocket wall planters are highly versatile and can be customized to suit your space and style. You can stagger the bottles for a dynamic look, paint them in different colors, or even decorate them with patterns to add personality. This setup is especially great for kitchen gardens, where fresh herbs are always within reach. Lightweight and portable, these planters can be rearranged or expanded over time, making them a practical and attractive solution for small spaces or urban gardening. Idea number 8. Tiered planter tower. Create an impressive vertical display with a tiered planter tower using bottles of decreasing sizes. Stack the bottles one on top of the other, securing each layer with stakes, a wooden frame, or strong adhesive to ensure stability. This setup is perfect for cascading flowers, like petunias or trailing vines, allowing each tier to spill gracefully over the edge. The result is a striking garden feature that saves space while adding height and dimension to your outdoor area. making even a small patio or balcony feel lush and full. A tiered planter tower is also highly adaptable and customizable. You can mix and match plant types, use colorful painted bottles for a lively effect, or stick to natural tones for a more organic look. These towers are easy to maintain, as each layer is accessible for watering and care, and they make a bold visual statement that instantly elevates your garden. Lightweight and portable, they can be repositioned as needed, giving you flexibility to experiment with different arrangements and plant combinations over time. Idea number 9. Painted terracotta look. Give your plastic bottles an elegant classic appearance by making them look like terracotta pots. Start by applying textured paint in earthy tones, like terracotta, brown or clay, using sponges or brushes to create a natural stone-like finish. This simple technique instantly transforms ordinary bottles into planters that blend seamlessly with any garden decor, giving your space a more polished and sophisticated look. It's perfect for flowers, herbs or small shrubs, adding a touch of timeless style without the weight or cost of real clay pots. The painted terracotta look is highly versatile and allows for endless creativity. You can vary the texture and color intensity, add subtle patterns, or even layer shades for a more realistic effect. These planters are durable, weather-resistant, and easy to move, making them both practical and beautiful. They're a fantastic way to combine sustainability with aesthetics, turning recycled bottles into pieces that feel like they belong in a professional garden design, while still being entirely DIY. Idea number 10. Geometric cut designs. Add a modern artistic touch to your garden with geometric cut bottle planters. Carefully cut interesting shapes, triangles, diamonds or abstract patterns, into the sides of the bottles, creating both a visually striking look and additional drainage for your plants. These patterns catch the light in unique ways, making your planters stand out as sculptural elements, while still serving a practical purpose. They're perfect for small flowers, succulents, or trailing plants, turning a simple DIY project into a statement piece for your garden or balcony. Geometric cut designs are also highly customizable, allowing you to mix shapes, sizes and colors to suit your garden style. You can paint the bottles in bold tones or keep them simple for a minimalistic aesthetic. These planters are lightweight, easy to maintain, and can be moved or rearranged to change the visual composition whenever you like. By combining creativity with functionality, you can transform everyday plastic bottles into modern eye-catching decor that elevates your outdoor space. Idea number 11. Fabric or burlap wrapped. Give your plastic bottles a cozy farmhouse-inspired look by wrapping them in fabric or burlap. Start by cutting a piece of burlap or decorative fabric to fit around the bottle, then secure it with twine ribbon or hot glue. This technique completely hides the plastic, transforming the planter into a charming rustic piece that fits beautifully with any garden or patio decor. It's perfect for herbs, flowers, or succulents, and instantly adds warmth and texture to your outdoor space. What makes fabric or burlap wrap planters so versatile is how easily they can be customized. You can mix different fabrics, layer textures, or add decorative details like beads or small charms for extra personality. Lightweight and portable, these planters can be moved to catch sunlight or rearranged to create the perfect garden layout. They're simple to make, visually appealing, and a fantastic way to repurpose bottles while adding style and character to your garden. Idea number 12. Bottle cap drainage system. Take control of your planter's drainage with a clever bottle cap system that helps keep your plants healthy. Instead of removing the cap entirely, drill a few small holes in it and keep it attached to the bottle. This allows water to drain slowly, while preventing soil from washing out, reducing the risk of root rot. Elevate the planter slightly on stones, pebbles or a small stand to ensure proper airflow and drainage, creating the perfect environment for thriving herbs, flowers, or succulents. This technique is simple, practical and highly effective, especially for plants that are sensitive to overwatering. It also keeps your planter tidy and makes maintenance easier, since excess water won't pool at the bottom or make a mess. Lightweight and easy to move, these bottles can be repositioned to catch sunlight or swapped with other plants as needed. By repurposing something as ordinary as a bottle cap, you can enhance your recycled planter's functionality while keeping them stylish and sustainable. Idea number 13. Windowsill horizontal. Planters turn ordinary plastic bottles into sleek horizontal planters that are perfect for windowsills or narrow spaces. Start by cutting the bottle lengthwise to create a long open trough for your plants. Use a small wire or wooden frame to stabilize the planter so it sits securely on your sill without tipping. This setup is ideal for growing leafy greens, like lettuce, herbs, or small flowering plants, giving you fresh produce or vibrant greenery within easy reach. Horizontal windowsill planters are compact, practical, and visually appealing. You can line up several along a window for a continuous row of greenery, or paint and decorate each bottle to match your interior or exterior style. They're lightweight and easy to move when needed, and because the soil is spread out, plants have room to grow without overcrowding. This simple DIY approach turns recycled bottles into functional, stylish containers that bring a touch of freshness and creativity to any small space. Idea number 14. Multicolor mosaic bottles. Transform plain plastic bottles into dazzling works of art with a multicolor mosaic effect. Start by cutting tissue paper or napkins into small pieces, and use Mod Podge or craft glue to attach them to the outside of the bottle. Layer different colors and shapes to create a stained glass-like appearance that catches sunlight beautifully, turning your planter into a vibrant centerpiece for your garden, balcony, or patio. This technique works well for flowers, succulents, or small herbs, adding a creative, cheerful touch wherever it's displayed. The mosaic technique is highly flexible, allowing you to mix and match colors, patterns, and textures to suit your personal style. These planters are lightweight, durable, and easy to move, so you can rearrange them as your garden evolves or to highlight the changing seasons. In addition to being visually stunning, they're a fun hands-on project for both adults and kids, making recycled bottles a source of endless creativity and joy. With just a little time and imagination, you can turn ordinary bottles into truly unique, eye-catching planters. Idea number 15. Natural stone or pebble finish. Give your bottle planters an earthy, organic look by covering them in small stones or pebbles. Start by applying a layer of craft or outdoor glue to the bottle's exterior, then carefully roll or press the pebbles onto the surface until fully covered. This creates a natural, textured finish that blends beautifully into garden landscapes, adding depth and a sense of harmony with your surroundings. It's perfect for flowers, succulents, or herbs, and transforms a simple recycled bottle into a planter that looks like it belongs in a professionally designed garden. Natural stone or pebble finished planters are not only visually appealing, but also durable and weather resistant. They can withstand outdoor conditions while remaining lightweight enough to move or rearrange as needed. You can experiment with different stone sizes, colors, or even mix in sand or shells for added texture, creating a truly customized planter. This technique is a fantastic way to combine sustainability with style, turning ordinary plastic bottles into stunning, long-lasting garden features that make both your plants and your creativity shine. And there you have it, 15 creative ways to transform ordinary plastic bottles into beautiful, functional planters that can brighten any garden, balcony, or windowsill. From playful animal shapes to elegant terracotta finishes, each idea shows how simple materials and a little imagination can turn trash into treasure. These DIY planters aren't just visually appealing, they're also practical, lightweight, and perfect for a variety of plants, from herbs and succulents to colorful flowers that bring your outdoor space to life. Which design are you most excited to try first? Drop a comment below with your favorite number from 1 to 15. I'd love to hear which planter speaks to your style. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Timeless Gardening so you never miss more creative, sustainable garden projects. Hit the bell icon for notifications, and check out our other videos for even more DIY gardening tips and inspiration. Thanks so much for watching, and happy gardening. Here's to making your garden as imaginative and beautiful as you are.